Excellency. 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 Auto beauty.
So we're here. I'll work with Michael today to get my car interior detail done as well as exterior detail. Before, the car was in a pretty horrific condition, and I had to get it clean just so I could see my parents and drive everybody. Right? The car smelled pretty bad. There were odor issues, pretty strong odor issues due to lack of upkeep, and there were a lot of hair and dirt and grime. And right now the car, I mean, this is the best interior and exterior detail job that I've had personally done, and I'm extremely happy because the smell is completely gone due to the ozone treatment they did, and the car looks like I just bought it.
Excellency. Auto beauty.